What's up guys, Ral here, Fuga Tech, and when it comes to smartphones, some excel in a specific aspect. This would normally be either the camera, chipset, the design aesthetics of the phone itself, or some other familiar feature phones manufacturer can think of. The thing is, it is hard to find an all-rounder phone, especially if you look for something that is a bit more budget-friendly. Thankfully, Vivo's newest smartphone, the Vivo V27 5G, ticks all the boxes of a premium all-rounder smartphone. A really stylish design? Check. A powerful chipset? Check. Nice screen? Check. Best of all, it has a really good 50 megapixel front and rear camera. Yes, you heard it right, 50 megapixels for both the front and rear. It's not just any rear sensor too. It's a Sony IMX766V, which is great for photos, videos, and even in low light conditions. The Vivo V27 5G looks great from the rear. This emerald colorway that we have changes colors too depending on the temperature. Expose it to the sun, you get this bluish-greenish hue that covers the entire back panel. You leave it inside, the top portion turns into this marble-like design, while the butt portion becomes light green, similar to emerald. What also makes it look good is the absence of a pinhole flash. In place is Vivo's new Aura portrait algorithm with Aura Light. It is this circular thing beside the triple rear camera system. Looks great, right? Now for the specs. For a smartphone to be an all-rounder, it needs to have a powerful chipset, generous RAM, and expansive storage. It's simple. A nice chipset and warm RAM means that the phone won't lag when you're using it on a day-to-day basis. The Vivo V27 5G packs a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset with 8 cores and supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, and more. The smartphone also comes with 12 gigs of RAM plus 8 gigs of extended RAM, giving you a total of up to 20 gigs dynamic RAM. Meanwhile, there's a 256 gigs of internal storage space for all the photos, apps, videos, and music that you have. There's also a Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. All combined, these makes the Vivo V27 5G very capable of playing the most popular titles like Genshin Impact and Asphalt Knight without any issues or whatsoever. Not to mention, it also comes with Game Boost mode, further enhancing your gaming experience. If you're not using it for games, it is great for browsing the net, social media, or watching videos on Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming sites. You won't have any issues playing or watching videos the entire day with Vivo V27 5G's 4600 mAh battery and 66-watt fast charging support. You also have a large color-accurate 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for playing games and watching videos or editing photos. Speaking of photos and video, an all-rounder phone needs to have a great camera, whether it's for taking landscape, selfie photos, or capturing memories with video. And the Vivo V27 5G can do it all and in high quality too. The Vivo V27 5G packs a triple rear camera with 50 megapixel main rear shooter, an 8 megapixel wide angle, and a 2 megapixel macro. No matter what subject or scenarios you're shooting, the camera has got you covered. It's one of the best phones for taking selfies, specifically in large groups. That's because the front-facing camera also uses a 15 megapixel eye autofocus flagging camera shooter. No more blurred or pixelated people in the background of your selfie. There's also the unique Aura lighting and Aura portrait algorithm, which you can take advantage of. It's similar to softbox lighting that you would find in photography studios. Shooting in portrait mode gives you natural-looking portrait images, even if lighting conditions aren't the best. For videos, the phone can also shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second for both the front and rear cameras, which is great if you want to do some cinematic shots or to level up your vlogs. Not to mention, it comes with OIS and EIS dual ultra stabilization in case you're shooting in handheld most of the time. So what else would you want in an all-rounder smartphone? The Vivo V27 5G has it all. A premium design with a powerful chipset and really great camera system. It also comes with a great price of only 24,999 pesos. There's also the more budget-friendly Vivo V27e that retails for only 16,999 pesos. It's not as powerful as the Vivo V27 5G with a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. It still does come with the Aura portrait algorithm system, a 64 megapixel rear camera, and similar camera features. So if you're looking to buy a new phone this year, why not consider the Vivo V27 5G as your next all-rounder smartphone? We were impressed with it, specifically the camera. It'll be available for pre-order very soon, so you can stay tuned for the details by visiting the Vivo Philippines official website, Facebook, and other social media platforms. So that's it, guys. What do you guys think about the Vivo V27 5G? Do let us know in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so that we send future uploads, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and visit cubic.com for the latest news about the Vivo V27 5G. Once again, this has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.